Welcome you, Shokatli chemistry classes. Today we study the properties and uses of chlorine. First, physical properties. Chlorine is a greenish yellow. Chlorine is a greenish yellow gas with a pungent, suffocating smell. It affects throat, nose, and lungs. It is fairly soluble in water and its aqueous solution is called chlorine water, which is a strong oxidizing agent. On passing chlorine gas into ice cold water, crystals of chlorine hydrate Cl2 into 10 are formed. Liquid chlorine boils at minus 34.1 degrees Celsius. Cl2 gas is 2.4 times heavier than air. Chemical properties. Chlorine is a very reactive gas. Its important chemical properties are: number one, combustion. Chlorine gas does not burn itself. However, heated red phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and sulfur burns in the atmosphere of chlorine and form their chloride. 2p plus 5Cl2 gives 2pCl5. 2As arsenic plus 3Cl2 gives 2AsCl3 arsenic chloride. 2S plus Cl2 gives S2Cl2. In presence of sunlight, it reacts with water. It reacts with hydrogen to form HCl gas. Cl2 plus H2 in the presence of sunlight gives 2HCl. Reaction with metals. Metals burn in the atmosphere of chlorine and form their chlorides. For example, Na plus Cl2 gives NaCl. Zn plus Cl2 gives ZnCl2. Al plus Cl2 gives AlCl3. When metals burns in the atmosphere of chlorine form their chlorides. Action of water. Chlorine gas dissolve in water to form a greenish yellow chlorine water which decomposes in sunlight. Cl2 plus H2O gives HCl plus HCl. Hydrochloric and hypochlorous. HCl decompose gives HCl plus nascent oxygen. Cl2 gas react with dry SO2 to form sulfuric chloride. SO2 plus Cl2 gives SO2Cl2. Chlorine reacts with carbon monoxide to form carbonyl chloride called phosgene gas. CO plus Cl2 gives COCl2. Action with saccharide lime, it form bleaching powder. Cl2 plus CaOH का whole twice gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. रिएक्शन विद अल्कलीज, इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है बहुत. When chlorine passed cold solution of alkalis is NaOH gives sodium hypochlorite. Cl2 plus 2NaOH gives NaCl plus NaOCl plus H2O. When chlorine gas pass in concentrated alkali solution gives chlorate salt. 3Cl2 plus 6NaOH gives 5NaCl plus NaClO plus 3H2. Action of ammonia. The excess of ammonia react with chlorine to form ammonium chloride and nitrogen. 8NH3 plus 3Cl2 gives 6NH4Cl plus N2, while the excess of chlorine when react with ammonia to form nitrogen chloride, an explosive substance, NH3 plus 3Cl2 gives NCl3 plus 3HCl. Oxidizing property. Chlorine acts as an oxidizing agent in the presence of moisture because it provides nascent high oxygen. Cl2 plus H2O gives 2HCl plus O. It oxidizes SO2 into H2SO4. SO2 plus H2O plus Cl2 gives H2SO4 plus 2HCl. It oxidizes ferrous chloride into ferric chloride. FeCl2 plus Cl2 gives FeCl3. It oxidizes hydrogen sulfide into sulfur. H2S plus Cl2 gives 2HCl plus S. It oxidizes sodium sulfide into sodium sulfate. Na2SO3 plus H2O plus Cl2 gives Na2SO4 plus 2HCl. It oxidizes potassium bromide into bromine and potassium iodide into iodine. It means it displaces bromine and iodine from bromide and iodide salts. 2KBr plus Cl2 gives 2KCl plus Br2. 2Ki plus Cl2 gives 2KCl plus I2. It oxidizes iodine into hydroiodic acid. 5Cl2 plus I2 plus 6H2O gives 2HiO3 plus 10Cl2. Bleaching action. Chlorine acts as a bleaching agent in the presence of moisture. The property of chlorine on account of its oxidizing nature. It discharges colors of colored flower, laplets, fabrics and other substances. Cl2 plus H2O provide nascent oxygen. Colored substance plus nascent oxygen gives colorless substance. Its bleaching action is due to oxidizing nature and permanent. Uses. It uses as an oxidizing agent in the preparation of bleaching powder, as a bleaching agent in cotton fabric and paper industry, as germicide in the purification of water in the preparation of metal colloids in the manufacture of bromine and hydrochloric gases in metal extraction of purification. Thank you.